Hello everyone. As parents, we are always worried about our adolescents' safety. When your teenager daughter doesn't come home on time after a late night party, or your son is cycling on a heavy traffic road. But have you ever wondered about their safety when they're sitting in front of their screens for hours together? Have you ever think about their online safety? In today's video, we will be discussing about cyber safety and let's understand why it is important. Myself, Dr. Kalyani Patra, consultant pediatrician from Navi Mumbai. And friends, today we are going to learn about how to protect our adolescents in this cyber world. First, let's see what they know about cyber safety.
Hi everyone, my name is Tanvi. I'm 12 years old. So as you all know, we use electronic devices like laptop, PC and phone every day, and it has become like a necessity to us. But there's always a threat of cyberbullying. So we should use electronic devices only with the help of our parents.
When we are using Facebook or Instagram, there are chances of people giving bad or mean comments and bullying.
If we share our photo with someone, there are incidents of some people misuse it.
Friends, do you know India ranks third on global cyberbullying list? Recent study done in Delhi in 2020 showed that 1 in 10 adolescents face cyberbullying, but only half of them report. Also, a study done in 2018 showed that there was 36% increase in the cases of cyberbullying. Friends, we live in a time of constant media and technology evolution. With the emergence of COVID-19, parents have to change their approach to digital parenting. During this time, parents allowed more flexibility and expansion of their kids' engagement with technology in light of distant learning. That is the reason cyber safety becomes more relevant and important during today's time. Majority of teenagers use internet. More than 45% of teenagers use internet almost constantly. They use these technologies for everyday activities like connecting with their friends on social media, doing their schoolwork and relaxing. Some of them also go online to get support for their physical and mental health problems, and also sometimes experimenting in different ways of expressing themselves. For many tweens and teens in India, going online is a way of getting social approval. As they are online for so much time without any supervision, it is important we ensure that they don't just get the technology, but they are also aware and are well protected from the dangers of cyber world. Cyber safety is safe and responsible use of information and communication technologies like social media, internet, online gaming, tablet, computers and other devices. It is not just about keeping the information safe and secure, but being responsible with the information, respecting the people online and also following good etiquettes. Cyber crimes are the offences committed against individuals or institutions by using computer, internet or other technologies. Friends, adolescents are more vulnerable to cybercrime because of their lack of experience and lack of knowledge. What are different types of cybercrimes which can happen? The common ways used by cyber criminal are sending fake mails which look genuine, sending malicious and bad applications and files through emails, gaming or messages, cyberbullying, cyber grooming, identity theft, email frauds, job frauds and bank frauds. Cyberbullying is one of the most common threats in teen. Though cyberbullying can impact anyone, but due to the limited knowledge of the cyber threats, children and teenagers are the common victims. Cyberbullying is using internet or mobile technology to harass or bully someone by sending rude, mean and hurtful messages, video or comments. Cyberbully can use social media, text messages, emails, chat rooms to bully others. Cyberbullying can have many consequences in adolescence: physical, psychological and emotional. Like cyberbullying can cause decreased confidence, depression, loneliness, poor performance and poor attendance in school, and even suicidal thoughts. It is very important to handle cyberbullying carefully. It can quickly become a serious problem. It can result in victims fearing for their lives and even committing suicide. Let's discuss how you can prevent yourself from becoming victim of cyberbullying. Don't accept friend requests from unknown people on social media platforms, as bully can make fake accounts to befriend victims. As a rule of thumb, only add those people online whom you know offline. Don't share your personal information like date of birth, address and other details on social media platforms or other platforms. Restrict your profile to your friends only. Friends, always remember, what you post online remains there forever. So never post your personal details on social media and other platforms. Never install unwanted softwares like dating app, gaming from unknown sources. Be careful while chatting in the chat rooms. Never reveal your personal details. Protect your identity. If you feel hurt after reading comment or a message from friend or a stranger, please don't reply aggressively. It may encourage the bully to keep on posting those messages. If it is by your friend, you can request your friend to not to do so again. And if the messages keep on coming repeatedly, please tell your parents and elders to help. As a good netizen, never post mean messages, hurtful comments and embarrassing videos online. You should not become a cyberbully yourself, as it is a punishable offense. Friends, what you should do when you are a victim of a cyberbully? First and foremost, inform your parents and elders immediately. Let them intervene and support you and help you. Try and identify the bully. A bully can be a stranger or a friend. Take help of your parents, teachers and friends to identify the bully. Block the bully. If you are getting bullied on a social media site, then there is always an option of blocking him or her. Save the messages and posts which are used against you by the bully. They can be used as evidence afterwards. Very importantly, don't reply aggressively to the messages and posts which are made by the bully. This may encourage the bully and may increase the problem. What you should do is request politely to stop doing, or simply block the bully or stop chatting. Also, if your parents or elders feel the need, they can go to local police station in cases of serious matters. Cyber grooming is fast growing as one of the major threats for adolescents. It is a practice where someone builds an emotional bond with adolescent through social media and messaging platforms with an objective of gaining their trust for sexually abusing and exploiting them. Cyber groomers use social media, gaming websites, chat rooms, etc. by creating a fake account and pretending to be a child or having same interests as of a child. Friends, many of us don't even realize that someone is grooming us online. A cyber groomer can be a known person, a friend, a relative, or an unknown person whom we met online through social media or chatting platform. Cyber groomers to start with give you compliments, gifts, and offer you jobs. Later on, they start sending you obscene messages, images, and videos. They may also ask you to share your images and videos. Friends, let's understand how we can keep ourselves safe in this cyber world. Let's see what are the do's. Always respect privacy of others. Do report and flag the contents which are illegal and abusive. Always use an alternative name as username when you are online. Report cyberbullying immediately to your teachers, parents, or someone whom you trust. Always use passwords which are strong, unique, with combination of letters, numbers, and characters. Use different passwords for different accounts. Keep your browser, operating system, and antivirus up to date. Connect with known individuals only. Keep your privacy settings of social media accounts such that your profiles and posts should be visible only to the friends. Be mindful of your digital reputation. Think twice before posting anything which is inappropriate, embarrassing, and harmful. If your account is hacked, report to the local service provider. Don't share your personal information like your name, address, date of birth on social media or other platforms. Don't send your pictures to person who is unknown to you. Don't open attachments and emails from strangers. Don't enter password when someone is sitting beside you. Don't save username and password on the browser. Don't ever cyberbully others by sending mean messages, hateful comments, and embarrassing videos. Don't meet unknown people alone, even if they are known to you through online interactions. Be aware, connect with care. So friends, to be safe in this cyber world, let's take this pledge with our young teen friends.
Hi, myself Ronak Kawane, taking pledge to stay safe on the cyber world. I will not post anything on the internet to harm or insult anybody. I will not share my personal information to any public websites. Thank you.
Hi, myself Viraj, taking a pledge how to be safe in this cyber world. I will always report suspicious or inappropriate behavior to my elders, parents, or authorities. I will always encourage others to act and behave responsibly and respectfully. Thank you.